Thinking about selling your home but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Whether you've lived in your home for 5 years or 50, selling can feel overwhelming, especially when the market keeps changing. But it doesn't have to be stressful when you've got a plan, and more importantly, someone local in your corner. I'm Jackie Weisenburger, a full-time real estate broker here in Quincy, Illinois. I've helped hundreds of sellers just like you navigate this process from start to finish, and today, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take to sell your home the smart way, right here in Quincy. You'll learn what to do before you list, how to attract serious buyers, and how to get from offer to closing with confidence. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, relocating, or just ready for a change, this guide will help you take that next step with clarity. First things first, prep. Before you think about pricing or putting that sign in the yard, take a step back and look at your home through a buyer's eyes. In Quincy, buyers are looking for clean, well-maintained homes, and they notice the details. You don't need a full remodel, but minor fixes matter. Touch up the paint, replace burnt-out bulbs, deep clean like you've never deep cleaned before. And don't forget curb appeal. First impressions in our neighborhoods go a long way. Now, once you've got the house looking its best, it's time to talk price. This part can make or break your sale. You don't want to just guess or rely on outdated info from a neighbor down the street. I use local MLS data, market trends, and my own experience to help you price it right the first time. In Quincy, homes priced accurately get more attention and stronger offers. If you go too high hoping to leave room to negotiate, you might actually end up sitting on the market and chasing buyers away. Next comes exposure. This is where working with a full-time local agent really pays off. Your home's first showing happens online, so high-quality photos, video walkthroughs, and even virtual tours are essential. I make sure your home is everywhere it needs to be: Zillow, Realtor.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, you name it. But I also tap into my network of local buyers and agents who may already have someone looking for exactly what you've got. Once the showings start and the offers come in, it's all about strategy. I help you review every offer carefully, not just price, but contingencies, financing, timelines. Sometimes the highest offer isn't the best one. I'll break it all down and negotiate hard to get you the best possible deal. From contract to closing, I'm by your side to make sure inspections, appraisals, and all those little moving parts go smoothly. And if anything unexpected pops up, you'll have someone with experience to guide you through it. The truth is, selling a home in Quincy doesn't have to be overwhelming when you've got the right plan and the right partner. I've lived and worked in this community for years. I know our neighborhoods, our buyers, and our market inside and out. If you're even thinking about selling, call me today for a confidential conversation. There's no pressure, just honest guidance from someone who truly understands what it takes to sell a home in Quincy.